Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, welcome. My name is Pila, and please do join my YouTube family by clicking on the subscribe and also on the bell. In that way you will not miss any of my videos. If you are a regular to this channel, thank you so much guys for the support, and we are on the road to 8K. We are on the road to 8K. Thank you so much guys for the support. So today's video is courtesy of VIVI Babi Hair, and they were kind enough to send me this gorgeous wig, this gorgeous hair, and I'm just super excited about this guys, because they now make hair for people like me. So this is the kind of hair that does not have any lace, so it means that you do not have to customize anything. Does not have any lace, it means that you do not have to glue down anything. Doesn't have any lace, it means that you don't have to do a lot of things, and I'm excited about that because I do not know how to do all of those things. So this hair is fresh out of the box guys. I didn't put anything to it. I just took it out of the box and straight to my head, and this is how it looks. This is the kind of hair for people like me, people that do not know how to customize hair, people that do not know how to glue down hair, and all of the jazz. This is a 14 inches Brazilian kinky curly, and it is 180% density. The hair was delivered to me by DPX, and it took about 7 days. Yes, it took 7 days for me to receive the hair, which is a week, and I think that was pretty quick, seeing that we're in a pandemic and it's also the December period. I received the hair on the 24th of December, so it was like pre-Christmas gift. Their VIVI Baby card, and at the back of the card they wrote their socials and also their email address and website. If you've been subscribed to this channel for long, I'm sure you guys know how much I love curly hair, and I'm already in love already. So this is a headband wig, so it means that it does not have any lace. So I'm going to show you guys the wig construction. So there are 2 combs on each side, and then one in the middle and then one at the bottom, and then also you can then adjust it with this strap, and it is stretchy. It is stretchy. Also has this guys, I'm not sure what this is called, but on this side it is longer, so that if you want to make your wig a bit tighter, you are able to do that. So you're able to adjust the wig according to the size that you want it to be. So now let's try the hair on. This is how the hair looks, fresh from the box, and I don't think I want to do anything to it. I'm just gonna wear it as it is. So now this is how it looks, and I'm just gonna put a headband on. have an option to put your wig right here, or you can show a bit of hair like how I have done. The wig is looking nice already. Okay, so now on to the most difficult part, guys. Yes, I am so bad with these things, and I understand why. Like, I don't know why I'm not a girly girl. Like, these things, like, I don't know how to use them. So you put the headband to cover the hair headband. So basically, this is how I look. I'm just super excited and happy with the hair because of the quality, of the texture, of the curl pattern and everything else. Let me show you how this hair looks, Bafethu. I mean, look at this. Look at this. And what I'm also excited about is the fact that the hair is not shedding. I know curly hair sheds a lot. I have been finger combing this hair and nothing, no shedding whatsoever. And as I did mention, guys, it's straight from the box, so I haven't washed the hair, I haven't put any products to it, and this is just how it looks, and I am just so in love with it. I am sure this is going to be my most abused wig. So if you follow me on my socials, guys, this is how I'm going to be looking for the next couple of weeks. So you better not judge me, because I'm just so in love with this hair. And if you do not follow me on my socials, please head there, kindly follow me. I give it a 10 out of 10, 100 out of 100, 1,000 out of 1,000. Like, I give it everything because the hair is also everything. Like, what more can you ask for? So guys, if you're interested to also purchase this hair, please feel free to check the details on the description box down below. And if you have any questions, guys, I am available to answer them. Just drop them on the comment box down below. Thank you so much, Vivi Baby Hair, for sending me this amazing hair. And guys, basically this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys soon. Oh, and have a happy new year.